Welcome to the safety orientation on the mobile offshore drilling unit. This is the Fruge 83 MODU orientation agenda. We're going to discuss subpart A and the general requirements within it. Now we're going to cover 33 CFR 142.1. The title of the slide pretty much defines itself. It is the purpose of workplace safety and health rules. It ensures that all MODU workers at the minimum have the following: safe workplace, protection from all preventable hazards, and safe work practices. So now we're going to discuss 33 CFR 142.4, employer duties, lessees, operators, and contractors. It ensures that lessees and permit holders are safe and follow CFR 33 Part 142, and that all parties affiliated with the operation must ensure that all safety and health regulations are met. It also ensures to remove all recognized hazards from the workplace. And now moving on to 33 CFR 142.4-C. It's the hazard definitions, which is considered to be recognized hazards. It defined as any hazard that routinely controlled in the industry by risk mitigations, procedures, and/or equipment. Hazards that are understood to be dangerous while within the industry, causing serious harm or potentially death. Next is 33 CFR 142.7, reporting unsafe working conditions. Any person on board can report any hazard to the officer in charge of the marine inspection. All personnel reporting unsafe actions are protected and will be kept confidential. This protection will allow workers to not fear retaliation when reporting incidents. So that finishes up subpart A. We're currently moving on to subpart B, which is personal protective equipment, in short, PPE. 33 CFR 142.21 is PPE's purpose and applicability. Pretty much it's kind of what it sounds like. It establishes the minimal standards for PPE when working in the Outer Continental Shelf. These rules may apply to all personnel out on location, regardless of their position or ownership. Meaning the lowest level person or the most experienced person all has to follow the same PPE directions, no matter their title, position, or ownership. And this purpose is to ensure that all workers are protected and to ensure that we prevent all injuries. Moving on to 33 CFR 142.24, which covers the use of PPE and operators ensuring the proper use of that PPE. It outlines the correct PPE must be worn for the specific job task in specific areas, and ensures that all companies utilize supervisors to enforce the use of proper PPE when necessary. Then moving on to 33 CFR 142.27 is eye and face protection. It ensures that all workers wear approved and task-specific eye protection in all high-risk tasks. All eye protections must be in good condition and be easily identified as NCZ 87.1 approved. Moving on to 33 CFR 142.30, which is head protection, hard hats. This section ensures that personnel wear approved head protection when there is any risk of head injury. Protection must meet ANSI Z89.1 and the class needed per voltage and impact requirements. It also requires that proper markings are on all head protection, and it must clearly state the compliance class and identification. This one covers 33 CFR 142.33, which is foot protection. It ensures that all workers wear foot protection when there is a chance of foot injury. The footwear must meet ANSI Z41 standards, and it must also have proper manufacturer's warnings. Moving on to 33 CFR 142.36, protective clothing, FRC, gloves, etc. This ensures that protective clothing is worn for the specific hazards. All clothes and gloves shall match the hazard and provide an appropriate level of protection. This regulation ensures that workers are shielded from all elements produced by the operation. 33 CFR 142.39 covers respiratory protection. It ensures that all workers wear respiratory protection when certain unsafe conditions are met. It ensures that workers are trained on the life-saving equipment along with fit tested when appropriate. It states that all equipment must be approved for the specific hazard and maintained according to standards. 33 CFR 142.42 covers fall protection, safety belts and harnesses, along with lifelines. It ensures that fall protection is utilized when exposed to a fall hazard greater than 10 feet. It states that all harnesses or belts should be properly anchored and meet the strength requirements set forth by ANSI A10.14. Next up is 33 CFR 142.45. Personal flotation devices, short is PFDs. This standard requires all workers to wear PFDs whenever a fall into water is possible. All PFDs must be Coast Guard approved devices. Next up is 33 CFR 142.48, which covers eye wash stations. This code states that eye wash stations must be immediately available to all workers, immediately in all high-risk areas. Also, in any other area where there is a potential, these stations must provide enough water to flush all contaminants from the eyes effectively. That covers subpart B. So now we're going to move on to subpart C, which is safety and health standards. Now we're covering 33 CFR 142.81, which is general working conditions and purpose. This section covers it and states the minimum standards for safe physical conditions while working offshore. It also covers all the hazards not already addressed by the PPE rules. 33 CFR 142.84 is housekeeping requirements. It ensures that all work areas remain clear along with walkways, stairs, and ramps. It states that all spills must be cleaned as soon as they are discovered, and proper PPE can be used with slippage cannot be avoided, such as pulling wet pipe on the drill floor. 33 CFR 142.87, which covers guarding of deck openings. It ensures that all deck openings be protected or guarded when not being used. The protection should be strong enough so that a foot, a leg, or a body cannot pass through the opening. And now we have 33 CFR 142.90, lockout tagout. Short is LOTO. This ensures that before any equipment is worked on, that it will be de-energized, locked out, and tagged out. It also states that the designated party that can remove the tags once the operation is concluded. It also states the location that the tags should be placed. Once again, this has been the presentation for subpart A, B, and C. If anyone has any questions, I'm the safety supervisor out here on location. Don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.